Okay, my name is Ross. Me blow Williams Bay. Me work lobisa se one training nurse. And now you please have a look at clinic blow Williams Bay.
Me blow me Maki White. Me start work lo 1989. Me blow lo place ano mo blow Dillon. Me like him work here from Mr. Help him all mama from sometime by Elizabeth cat problem, me do some life. Me stop with him mulgeta, me help him mulgeta, so me save him life blow one man.
Let's have a look. Inside there, let's blow la. All mama will stop sleep here. After let's have a look. Place where water be immediate problem blow water. After I now mattress where mama iputu Mr. Sleep le manda. Mena mattress where mama Mr. Sleep sa tilibale. Okay, let's me bless blow time mama deliver ika we stop bless now. Okay, I saw look round, look mama with them pepe to fly Mr. Sleep lo pet. Okay, modu place where beginning I born na liputu mem lo besia. After place one more room lo side me a toilet no bathroom. Isa look room ya. Room ya ika place lo besia me chair blueness down table blehem. After room ya is full map three something inside the room ya. One me all stock all stuff inside the room. After place all mama lista come check up here. Amen now we start one room no more. Amen now amen. After one more sigma only come start room ya where stock merchant start here or mama lista check up here. The one room.
Sometimes goes to mama come mo me one no more one student is stop with them mo cat pet one pet no more bathroom toilet good. Sometimes where one mama sabi ponem bikini quick mo merchant cat mo cost to cat. Pai sabi look out in one place blo karamonem blo karam sami kam blo sabi yusu mo sem emya winoka.
You let's have a look round Emia village blow Williams Bay, population blow Williams Bay, istakamanta pikwan, motu, ikat full up all pikinini, we fly one them no more say everyone but must have good health.